Okay, this is a quick lesson on what the meaning of molarity is. Molarity is a measure of concentration, and when we think about molarity, we are talking about moles of a solute, S-O-L-U-T-E, that is dissolved to a final volume of solution. That would be number of moles per 1 liter of solution. So let's take, for example, salt water. And salt water, the solute is going to be simply salt, or good chemistry minds, we think NaCl. And the solvent will be water. And there's more water than there is salt, so we say that the solvent is water and the solute is salt. So the solution is actually a solution of salt water, and we can make that of varying concentrations depending upon how much salt we add. If I have a 1 molar hydrochloric acid solution, capital M is what we use to abbreviate molarity. It means that I have 1 mole of hydrochloric acid and a total volume of 1 liter of solution. If I have a 2 molar hydrochloric acid solution, that means that I have 2 moles of HCl all in 1 liter of total solution. So 2 molar is more concentrated than 1 molar, and therefore a little bit more dangerous. You want to be careful around that. Okay, what is the molarity of a solution that has 0.67 moles of Na2CO3, sodium carbonate, dissolved to a total volume of 873 milliliters? Well, to solve that, what we're going to do is we're going to do the moles on top, 0.67 moles, and 873 milliliters. We need to do that in liters. So we need to move the decimal over 3 places because 1 liter is equal to 1,000 milliliters, and so that's going to give us 0.873 liters of solution. And we'll divide that into our 0.67 moles, and that's going to give us a solution concentration of 0.77 molar Na2CO3, sodium carbonate. Okay? Now, what if instead of moles, we started out with grams? Well, then what we're going to need to do is we're going to need to take the grams, which in our example here is we have 3.74 grams of hydrochloric acid, and 1 mole of hydrochloric acid weighs 36.46 grams. That's because hydrogen is equal to 1.01 grams per mole, and chlorine is equal to 35.45 grams for a final molar mass of 36.46. Well, when we do the math on that, it comes out that we have 0.103 moles of hydrochloric acid. 250 milliliters is equal to 0.250 liters. So we're going to start with our moles on top, divide that by the number of liters we have of solution, and that's going to give us our molarity, which is 0.412 molar. Hopefully that's enough to get you started.